Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. My search for the perfect lamp for my reading room finally came to an end when I found these vintage pharmacy reading lamps from Mlambert. I love them so much, I had to buy two, a matching set. These are in a brass gold color. They are metal. They stand 56.5 inches tall, and the lamp itself rotates and also the arm swings out, making them adjustable in the fact that you can swing the light out and point it exactly where you need it to be. The power cord is over 5 feet long and the base is weighted, making it a very sturdy and functional lamp as well. So not only is it beautiful to look at day or night, it works like a dream. I'm able to point the light right where I need it, and that LED light bulb that they include has a beautiful, bright, true light, and it really helps me to enjoy my reading for longer. I love to read, but if you don't have good lighting, it can be so frustrating. These lamps have given me just the amount of light I want at just the style I want as well. The fact that you can rotate them, the fact that the arm swings out, and just the beautiful lines of this lamp make it remarkable. I'm so happy I found it, and now I have two of them, a matching set. They're easy to use, they're reliable, and they're just gorgeous. This lamp has added just what we hoped for in our reading space. Excellent lighting and a beautiful looking lamp. And that is my point of view.